The word on the street is I can find some lumpia wrappers here at this grocery store. Don't know how filming is in here, but we'll find out. But I drove like an hour to come find out if I can find me some lumpia wrappers. Let's go see. Talked with the manager. She said they were out of stock in the store today, but I also found out another dude that has Thailand people in his family, and he directed me to an Asian Flavor out on number 9. And I went right by it a while ago, but it looked like it was closed, so I'm gonna swing back by there and check it out. It says it's open till 5, so we'll see. We're gonna check out International right now, though. No luck at all. Even though in the International section there was nothing what I was looking for, so we're gonna head to the Asian Flavor. All right, I made it down here. I went and got me some food first before I came out here because I was kind of hungry. But this place is called Oriental Pantry Asian Flavor. The man told me Filipinos own it, so I'm pretty sure they have some lumpia. The sign says open. Let's go see. Oh yeah. Yeah, that.
This one and this one.
Which one would be the best?
This one is better, but it says $5 and this one is $2.
That's fine. I'll take that one if it's better.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the better one. I tried to order them online, but they were so expensive online.
Oh yeah, especially it's frozen.
Yeah. This place is right here in Long, South Carolina. Y'all come by and check it out if you're ever in the area. They have everything you need, looks like. So come by here and definitely check it out. The place is owned by Filipinos and Asian Flavor, like I showed you a while ago. It is awesome in there. They have all kind of stuff in there. Exactly what I was looking for, so I could cook a lot more dishes by coming here and getting a lot of my recipes because they have everything authentic. I got the lumpia wraps, so I am going to be cooking some lumpia. What's up, y'all? I am back again. Check it, let's begin. See what I got. That's my all-time favorite Filipino food, so I'm definitely going to try to do this one. I'm not going to say this is going to be my last one I cook as far as Filipino food, but I am going to give this a go at it because it is one of my favorites. And when I was in the Philippines in April last year, my girlfriend showed me how to wrap lumpia and to put them together. I will put that video right here.
Hello guys! So for today's video, we're going to make a lumpia. A pork lumpia.
My first time.
Yeah, it's Eric's first time.
Hey, step out. I think I got it.
Mabot ka? Oo ka, tubig. Lagat ka? Ha? Araw, boss?
And as you can see in that video clip, I was just pretty much just rolling them together. Navos cooked them. Me and Lynn and Joselle wrapped them up. We used pork that night. Tonight, I'm using hamburger, carrots, onions, and peppers. That's what I have in here right now. So what I got to do now is just mix all this together. Went ahead and put all the ingredients together with the hamburger meat here. It's not really exciting to see, so. But I have my lumpia wrappers here. The ones that I used the last time in the Philippines, they were a lot smaller than this. These are individually wrapped. Bear with me, you'll probably see a lot of paper just flying everywhere. But it'll be okay because that's how I do things. You know, I'm a professional cooker and stuff like that. Not really. I don't know how big I want to make them or how small I want to make them. I got my fire going pretty good back there. I think that might be a little too much. I know I'm gonna get critiqued a lot on this one right here. I know I am, but it's okay. I appreciate the input, the output, and everything else y'all put in on it. Because when y'all tell me what I'm doing wrong, it actually helps me. So I know from that which way I'm going. Got to dip my water, wet the top of it, because I remember when Lynn told me to do that. My first one rolled up pretty good. Look at that. Booyah. I'm gonna lay it right there in the pan. Feeling pretty good about this right now. I better hush though. I'll be total disastered it really quick. These here individually wrapped lumpias is kind of well, pretty good. So, is there another meal that I should give a shot? Don't give me nothing too hard though, because you give me something too hard, then I'm gonna probably just destroy it. I cooked the chicken adobo. I cooked bihon. Those were pretty. Those wasn't that bad. I mean, for a first timer, you know. For a first timer, it wasn't that bad. But I'm gonna say this here is probably one of the easiest. I don't want to make them too thick though, because I got to cook them, and I want my hamburger. I'm using hamburger and not pork on this run. Oh, these will come. I got almost 600 likes on the last video, so I think I am going to give the hat away, because I have ordered some more to put in my shop, and it's a different logo and everything on the front of it. But I am going to draw a name from the comments in the last video and select the winner from there. So keep a lookout for that. I don't know when I'm gonna do it yet, but I'm gonna do it pretty soon. I'm pretty big, y'all. I did make them a little thicker than we did in the Philippines that night. These are pretty big. I hope they cook through. This is where I'll probably mess up trying to, I made them too big. I remember in the video that I showed y'all a while ago, I had just a little bit of meat and stuff, but the lumpia wrappers were a lot smaller than these. These are huge. So I guess I went by that. I don't know, but I'll find out once I get them in the grease. And I am using olive oil, because I don't do vegetable oil, because that stuff's just plain flat out nasty. This is sizzle, so it's made for high heat. It's an olive oil, and it's pretty good. I also had magic wrap to go in it. I put some pepper in it, some garlic. So seasoned, everything is ready. Now I got to get the pan heated up. My fire is kicking over here, y'all. I got to let it cook down, because Lynn said don't get your fire too hot, because if you get your fire too hot, the outside will cook too fast. We don't want that to happen. So I'm gonna let this here fire burn down a little bit before I do that. But give me in the comments below, tell me something you want to see me cook. Mess up, maybe, I don't know, you know. I'll do my best to cook it, but if I mess it up, hey, I'll just try again until I get it right the next time. But I'll see what I can do with it anyhow. I'll give it a shot at least. But I got a lot of lumpia wrappers left over. I had a lot of meat left over too. I'm glad I bought a small pack of hamburger meat, because I didn't want to cook all that. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. 7's a good number. I got my pan ready. I'm anxious, y'all. I'm ready to throw them on the fire to see what they're gonna come out to be. And see how it's gonna come out to be. I don't know how much of this olive oil to use. Do y'all know? I guess I'm pouring right. I'm just gonna use the pot. I guess I gotta kind of submerge them a little bit, you know what I mean? I don't want them to be, I'm using the whole thing. Yeah. I'm cooking them up. I should have asked Lynn about that part, but I didn't. Think that's enough olive oil? I'm gonna go ahead and get this grease started, warming up a little bit. Set over to the side. Definitely gonna need to get this hat clean before I give it away because it's hot out here and I'm sweating. Let me show you what I did today. I had a shower over here. It was made out of bamboo, which here's the bamboo now. It's on the trailer ready to go to the trash can. But I used 3-inch screws. I think I told you on the last one I shouldn't have did that, but I did. So I made it this time. I used 10. The camera made it look like it was off a little bit there, but it was good. Let's go around to the side here. Got 10 on this side. I ain't gonna worry about the edges here. I mean, it's just me out here showering and my brother-in-law. Not together though. The inside, no. Pipe. And there goes my big shower head. But inside's pretty sweet. I mean, it's not like my bamboo. I love the bamboo thing, but this here's got more privacy in it right here. So I did a couple of videos inside of this thing too. But this has got more privacy. It's got a little bit down here at the bottom. Use some plastic Pepsi crates because they'll never go away. That's just in there for when I was doing all that other stuff. It's gonna be left out. But yeah, it's gonna be a nice shower now. Matter of fact, I'm gonna use it after I get done eating. I want to try a cowboy steak. If I think that's what they call it, where you make a lot of hot coals in the fire, and then you just take the steak and lay it on top of the coals, and let it cook on top of the coals. And when you flip it over, and you pick the steak up after you cooked it and everything, all of the coals and stuff fall off of it. But you cook it straight to the coals, no pan or anything. So I definitely want to give one of them a try. If you'd like to see that, let me know in the comments below or give me a thumbs up or something. Oh, please like and subscribe. Leave me a comment below. Tell me how I did on this, especially my Filipino friends. Let me know where I went wrong and what I could do to improve. Here it goes. First time. I'm doing 4. Those are really thick, ain't they, y'all? Those are pretty thick. Hamburger, peppers, onions, smashed wrap, some pepper and garlic. Can't be bad. Golden brown. That's a good sign. They're not burnt. Whoop. Let's put the other ones in. I have 3 more to cook. We got those 3 going on now. This final result. Woo, they're hot. I'm ready to try one, but I'm also nervous because I hate to tear into it and my meat's not done. But I think it is because it was bubbling through. I didn't really find out or ask Lynn how long to leave them in the grease, but I guess it's kind of a, what do you call it? Like when you're cooking French fries, I guess. Leave them until you feel like they're done. That's what I feel like right now. I feel like they're done. They look really good. And I think I'm gonna give one of them a try just a second to see. I have some sauce, but it's not homemade sauce. I didn't make no homemade sauce, but I bought some a few weeks back that I'm gonna try that I actually ate with some Japanese food that I had bought. I'm gonna see what it tastes like with them. Here we go. I wanted to let them cool down a little bit before I rip one open. I think, ooh. Okay, I'm gonna give it just a few more minutes. I decided to cook the rest of the hamburger, just roll them up in some little balls and try to make some like meatballs with them instead of making lumpia out of the rest of them. But I think these lumpia here are ready. So we're gonna pull them up. Put them over here on the Hey y'all, this is backyard cooking. This ain't no gourmet cooking or anything like that. So You gotta understand. And here goes my meatballs. I think they're coming out pretty good. Can't wait to try them too. See what they're gonna be like. Cool down enough. Oh yeah. Cook good on the inside. Oh. Amen. I know I hadn't said my blessing on here, but I need to. I got to quit. That's good. Y'all hear that? Listen to this. Microphone right here. That was good, y'all. I gotta finish this one off, man. This is like right on time. I think with that sauce I have in the house there, though, everything's cooked good. Look at that. Wish you could have one. Still got that crunch from the onions, crunch from the peppers. You taste the carrots, all the seasons, everything. Everything seems to be good. And that olive oil. Cook in olive oil, man. It is the best. Almost forgot my meatballs. I can't remember which ones I put in there first. That ain't fun. Got a lot of onion floating around in there. Got it on medium heat, I think. Yep, medium heat. Oh yeah, that's good stuff right there. Those lumpias though, man, they might not get none. Them wrappers are on time too. Crunchy. I'm sorry, it's really loud. All right. Think I'm gonna wrap this one up here. I think I did pretty good with the lumpia, y'all. Tell me what you think, please. Be honest. Don't pay attention to my camera, it's messy. Leave me a like, a thumbs up. Show me some love on it. Critique me however you feel. I'm gonna take one of these meatballs out for you though and see what it looks like. Let's go in. Perfect, perfect. All right, y'all. I will see y'all on the next one. Like, subscribe if you will. Give me a thumbs up. See you on the next one.